वेलकम बैक टू द विद्यार्थी चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं the nth root of complex number। तो what steps will be following? Please closely watch it. Pause the videos. You can do the steps one by one after me. So what we'll do is the nth root, right? Nth root can be found out by this can be written as s cos. Now theta can be written as theta plus 2 pi k plus I sin theta plus 2 pi k. So what is this k? Where k is an integer, it is an integer with integers with values from this. You take theta is equal to 0. So if you put theta is equal to 0, right? So for nth root of unity, we'll take this as zn, z to the power of n. So here we can actually extrapolate that in this whole nth root of complex number. So this becomes cos 0 plus I sin 0. Now for nth root, we get a 0 here, we'll get a 0 here, and then for nth root, we can take power 1 by n, because this is for nth root, we'll take this as power n. Now here, if you take this to find out the nth root, we need to take the 1 by n of this, and hence we'll get a number of values. We can take this formula for the fifth root or the cube root. We need to take z power 5 in case of fifth root and z power 3 in case of cube root. So any value of n you can take. For example, if you want to take fifth root of unity. So what this becomes? Z power 5 is equal to, here you can write cos 2 pi k pi plus I sin 2 k pi. Now if you take fifth root, you can take this as a power of this as 1 by 5. Here the value of k will be from 0, 1, 2 till n minus 1, that is 4. Now for putting all these values, you will get different values of z. That is the fifth root of unity. I hope you understand this. You can try it. Put the answers in the comment section and let me know if you get the answers. Otherwise, I will give you the answers in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Shabbat hai.